Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today, we're learning was versus went.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point, many learners say, I was to the store.
But that sentence is not natural in modern everyday English
The natural sentence is, I went to the store.
because went is the past of go. It shows movement. It shows you traveled to a place.
So today, we will fix this confusion with one simple idea.
Was is the past of be. It describes a state, a condition, or a location.
Went is the past of go. It describes an action of moving to a place.
That's it. State versus movement.
And you will use them together all the time.
For example, I was at home. That describes where you were.
Then, I went to the store. That describes movement to a new place.
Then I was at the store. That describes the location after you arrived.
Then, I went back home. That describes movement again.
Once you see it like a simple timeline, it becomes easy.
And it will make your speaking sound more natural immediately.
Another common confusion is with tired, hungry, busy, late.
Those are states. So you say, I was tired, I was hungry, I was busy, I was late.
You do not use went with those.
And another confusion is people mix was with to. They try to use was plus to as if it means went.
But in daily English, you do not say I was to the store.
You say, I went to the store, or I was at the store.
Great. Now we will build the rule clearly, then practice with lots of examples.
And we will keep it conversational, like two friends talking, so it sticks.
Let's start with was and were. Was is used with I, he, she, it.
Were is used with you, we, they.
Examples: I was at home. She was at work. It was cold.
You were late. We were tired. They were happy.
Was and were describe a state, a condition, a feeling, or a location.
Location is usually with at, in, or on.
I was at the store.
I was in the car.
I was on the bus.
Now, went. Went is the past of go.
It describes moving from one place to another.
I went to the store.
I went to work.
We went home.
They went to the park.
Notice the preposition. Went usually uses to for destinations.
Went to the store. Went to the park. Went to my friend's house.
But there's one special case. Home.
You usually say went home, not went to home.
You can say went to my home, but that sounds different and less common.
Now compare the pairs.
I was at the store. That means you were there, location.
I went to the store. That means you traveled there, action.
Another common example. I was in bed. That means you were there.
I went to bed. That means you moved to bed or you started sleeping.
These two are both correct, but they have different meanings.
Great point. Was is the situation. Went is the movement or change into a new situation.
Now, let's do quick fix sentences because learners love fast corrections.
We will say the wrong version and the correct version.
Wrong. I was to the store.
Correct. I went to the store.
Or correct. I was at the store. It depends on the meaning. Wrong. She was to work.
Correct. She went to work.
Or correct. She was at work. Wrong. We were to the park yesterday.
Correct. We went to the park yesterday.
Or correct. We were at the park yesterday. Now let's build the natural story pattern.
The pattern is I was at a place, then I went to a place, then I was at a place.
Example. I was at home, then I went to the store, and then I was at the store.
Very natural.
Let's do a few more.
I was at work, then I went to a meeting, and then I was in the meeting.
I was at my friend's house, then we went to a restaurant, and then we were at the restaurant.
Now feelings.
I was tired, so I went home.
I was hungry, so I went to a cafe.
I was bored, so I went for a walk.
I was late, so I went fast.
That last one is funny because it is real.
Everyone knows that feeling.
Notice how was describes your feeling, went describes the action you took.
That combination is extremely common in daily English.
Now let's do a short drill where you choose was or went.
We will keep it easy and fast. Drill time. We say the sentence, you choose was, were, or went.
We will model the correct answer. Yesterday, I to the store.
Went. Yesterday, I went to the store.
Yesterday, I at the store.
Was. Yesterday, I was at the store.
Last night, we home at 10.
Went. Last night, we went home at 10.
Last night, we at home at 10.
Were. Last night, we were at home at 10.
This morning, I tired.
Was. This morning, I was tired.
This morning, I to work.
Went. This morning, I went to work.
They to the park and they happy.
Went, were. They went to the park and they were happy.
He at the gym, then he home.
Was, went. He was at the gym, then he went home.
Great. Now we add another common confusion, been.
Because people hear I have been to the store and they want to use was to the store.
We will keep it simple.
Been is used with have or has. It is not the same as was.
I have been to the store means I went at some time and I have that experience. But today we are focusing on simple past, was and went.
Great. Now we will do a friend conversation with a small story because stories make this easy.
Now conversation time. Two friends talking about yesterday.
Listen for was, were, and went.
Hey Mia, where were you yesterday afternoon?
I was at home at first. I was really tired.
Same. I was tired too.
Then I went to the store because we had no food.
Classic emergency trip.
Exactly.
Were you at the store for a long time?
No, I wasn't. I was there for 10 minutes.
Nice. Fast.
After that, I went to a cafe.
Oh, nice. Were you alone?
Yes, I was alone. I was hungry and I wanted a quiet place.
That sounds nice.
I was at the cafe for about an hour.
Then where did you go?
Then I went home.
And were you happy at home?
I was happy because I finally ate.
This conversation is a perfect example.
Was and were describe where you were and how you felt.
Went describes where you traveled.
Now let's add a few more common daily phrases that people use with was and went.
Like went to bed and was in bed.
Let's do common daily phrases. These are super useful.
First, bed.
I went to bed early.
That means you started going to sleep.
I was in bed early.
That means you were lying there. You might be sleeping or not.
Next, school.
I went to school. This often means you attended school, like a routine.
I was at school.
That means you were physically there at that time.
Next, work.
I went to work. That means you traveled there or you started your workday.
I was at work.
That means you were there at that moment.
Next, party.
I went to a party. That means you attended.
I was at a party.
That means you were there.
Next, the gym.
I went to the gym. That means you went there for exercise.
I was at the gym.
That means you were there at a specific time.
Now let's add a common story pattern.
I was at home, then I went to the gym. Then I was at the gym, then I went home.
That is the clean timeline pattern.
If learners follow that timeline, they almost never confuse was and went.
Because each verb has a job. Was is location or condition. Went is movement.
Great. Now we will do a simple practice where you fix wrong sentences.
This will strengthen your instinct. Fix the sentence practice. We say the wrong sentence. You say the natural sentence.
Then we give the correct answer.
Wrong. I was to the bank.
Correct. I went to the bank.
Or correct. I was at the bank. Wrong. She was to the restaurant.
Correct. She went to the restaurant.
Or correct. She was at the restaurant. Wrong. They were to the airport at 6.
Correct. They went to the airport at 6.
Or correct. They were at the airport at 6. Wrong. We were to the hotel all day.
Correct. We were at the hotel all day.
Or, correct, we went to the hotel and stayed there all day.
Good. Now let's add negatives because they appear in conversation all the time.
Was not and were not plus did not go. I wasn't at home.
We weren't at the party.
I didn't go to the gym.
They didn't go to work.
Notice the difference. I wasn't at home describes location.
I didn't go to the gym describes the action did not happen.
Great. Now we will do a short drill with questions because questions are where learners hesitate.
We will make them very natural. Question drill. Listen and copy.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at home.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the store.
Were you at the store?
Yes, I was.
Did you go to the store?
Yes, I did.
Those two questions look similar, but they focus on different things.
Were you at the store focuses on location.
Did you go to the store focuses on the action of going.
Now more examples.
Were you at work this morning?
Yes, I was.
Did you go to work this morning?
Yes, I did.
Were they at the meeting?
Yes, they were.
Did they go to the meeting?
Yes, they did.
Great. Now let's do a slightly longer story with questions and answers, so it sounds like real life.
And we'll keep it friendly and easy.
Mini story conversation.
You can use this as a speaking practice.
Liam, where were you last Saturday?
I was at home in the morning. I was a bit tired.
Then where did you go?
Then I went to the park.
Were you alone?
No, I wasn't. I went with a friend.
Nice. Were you at the park for a long time?
Yes, we were. We were there for about 2 hours.
After that, did you go anywhere else?
Yes, we did. We went to a cafe.
Were you hungry?
Yes, I was. I was hungry the whole time.
That is so real. Then did you go home?
Yes, we went home around 5.
And were you tired after that?
Yes, I was. I was tired, but I was happy.
This story shows the pattern clearly.
Was and were shows state and location. Went shows movement.
Great. Now we close with a short recap and our standard ending.
Quick recap. Was and were are the past of be. They describe a state, a condition, a feeling, or a location.
I was tired. We were happy. She was at work. They were at the park.
Went is the past of go. It describes movement to a place.
I went to the store. We went to the gym. They went to the airport.
If you want the simplest timeline, use this pattern.
I was at home. Then I went to the store. Then I was at the store. Then I went home.
And remember, in daily English, you do not say, I was to the store.
You say, I went to the store or I was at the store, depending on the meaning.
Practice tip. Take one day of your life and describe it with was and went.
Where were you? Where did you go? How did you feel?
That practice makes this automatic fast.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment, what's your biggest difficulty in English right now, and what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.